Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today is the continuation of the day 1. So today is the day 2. I will consider as a day 2 where I learned about how to do the running stitch and then the stem stitch. Okay, so these two stitches I learned, and I did few mistakes in the first video. Probably I was not able to make you understand about how I tied the knot in the back side to end the embroidery. So that's one of the mistake which I observed myself, and today I will clear that thing what I have learned. So let's start the video. So I have taken the embroidery hoop, and also this is the needle I have prepared. So let's start how to do the running stitch. Okay, this is the hoop I have. So running stitch, so it will be the straight stitch. Okay, so I will start from here. Okay, so what I will do, I will insert the needle from here. Okay, then I'll pull back, I'll make an insert here, then from the back I'll pull back. Okay, so after that I will insert from here. So it's a running stitch. So now I will turn back. So this many stitch I have did. So how to do the knot is like, you have to bring your needle in this way, and then you have to bring like this from this side, and then you have to pull. I'll show it again. Hold like this, then you'll insert this one. Okay, then from here get it outside. So here you pull, knot like structure will come, then it will be knot. Okay, keep small inch apart, then you cut this. Okay, so this is how you create the running stitch. So now how to do the stem stitch. What I will do, I will insert the needle from the back side. Okay, like this, and then I'll pull, and I'll hold this with my thumb finger. I'll insert it here. Okay, so I will insert this and I will stop. What I will do, from the back, a little distance apart from the first one, I'll insert this needle and I'll pull this. Okay, the same way I'll insert it here, I'll pull from the back, I'll stop, then I will again insert from here. This, then from here like this, and then if you have doubt, drop me a comment if I'm not able to make you understand. Okay, so I have practiced myself these stitches in a different fabric. So do try the running stitch. Let's learn together and have fun. This is one of the new skill I am going to learn also. So this is the running stitch and this is the stem stitch. So today in the day 2 I have learned about how to do the running stitch and then the stem stitch. Okay, so these are the two stitches which we have learned, and also you can also try with the fabric. You can order any from the Amazon also. You can learn this new skill. So I am on the journey of learning this skill. So if you want to join, subscribe to my channel and comment if you have any doubt. Let's try to solve with each other. And thank you so much for watching my video. So let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.